Wagwan yard life people. I trust everyone is having an amazing day so far. Guys, we in St. Mary. We in the capital of St. Mary, guys. We're at Port Maria. Crazy, crazy Port Maria Bay on the coastline. As you can see, fishing spot, lone seafood, and we're on the sea coast, guys. We're on the sea coast, a lot of boats, a lot of engine. Everywhere you turn, somebody a scale of fish. It is a vibe. We're going to try some food at Solo's place. A lot of spots around here you can come and enjoy the food, but we're going to try some food at Solo's place. Strictly seafood, guys. We want to try some crab. We want to try some crab leg, guys. We want to try some steamed fish. Crazy vibes. And just across from me, guys, we have the great Cabarita Island over there. So just across from me, I'm going to show you right now one of the iconic spots in Port Maria, on this side of Port Maria, and we're going to have a good vibe. So bless up on yourself, yard life, big up every time. That's the iconic spot over there, so people, the great Cabarita Island. It is a beauty inside, people. If you never come this side, you really need to come this side and literally just come and hang out on the beach, or even just come take some pictures and move along, because it is a vibe. A lot of boat, a lot of birds, a lot of fish. Worse, if you're coming at the early morning, you can see the fishermen them coming in with them early morning catch, and it is a feeling that you guys will appreciate. The breeze, all of that, mother nature, natural, authentic spot, man, and may I tell you guys, you're not gonna appreciate it. That's a lobster there.
Yeah, man.
What is? What is king crab?
Yeah.
Oh.
Start drunk. Petit.
Wow. Big heavy lobster. Venomous. Yeah, lion. Is that this morning catch?
Yeah, man.
Whoa. Alright, half of the reef. Half of the reef. So that's a meal to find them.
Yeah. We are deep water now come from.
Okay. Naturally. Yes, just find them over here, so people. I don't know what time it is. You have to take off the spine them.
Yeah, man.
There's a problem.
Yeah, joke, you're going to hospital, brother.
Spine them, the people. Dangerous. Venomous thing them. You will definitely get that authentic feeling when you come at this spot, guys, may I tell you now. Yeah, man, that's Cabarita behind us, guys. That is Cabarita Island, one of the iconic spots when you come on the coastline here in Port Maria. Pagee Beach, guys, and it is a vibe, that authentic feeling. You will get it, that country feeling. You will get it, that sea vibes, that getaway vibes. You know, I gotta get it, man, I tell you so. You don't know what time it is. Solo's place. We're going to try some seafood, some crab legs and some fish in the day, so we're going to eat some food on the coastline. Beautiful vibes.
You see good pan pepper, you still eat pepper.
Yeah, man, spicy up, man. So we have some crab legs in the sink, yes, guys. Crazy. Yeah, these are king crab legs.
Yeah.
Beautiful, and have a one snap over there, so yeah, look red and pretty, guys. I say you know when the fish them fresh, when it have that red looking eye. Natural vibes. all of this are for the steamed fish.
Yeah, man, you that one.
Naturally. Special mixture.
Yeah, man, no.
Alright. Yeah. That one there is the secret to go up on the fish them.
Yeah,
Oh.
I eat, man. Saute everything I make, you know?
So I want to see what going on in the kitchen, guys. It is a beautiful sight. Fish gone in the pot. Everything seasoned up proper, the spice, the pepper, everything we are getting at this. It is a vibe on the beach side. It's literally on the beach side. If you can see through the window, literally on the beach side. It is a vibe, man. And we're here in a Port Mara and we're gonna eat some seafood. We yet to see the crab legs them going at the pot, but you don't know the process, all of that curry, that seasoning, man. It's gonna work. So make way back in the kitchen, go see what I want. This is the process.
Yeah, man.
Soak. So the seasoning and soak all of the meat and oh,
Yeah.
naturally.
I make it easy for angler and eat, you see?
We just see them crab legs a crack up, guys. That the reason for that is you don't know the get that ease of eating when you consume the crab there, and you don't know if you make the seasoning soak properly through. Get rid of some of them shells, and cause you don't know king crab, the shells them really hard and thing, and it is a vibe. We just see some curry and gone in at the pot with some scallion and some real Jamaican ground seasoning. So I the whole process. Rich, brother.
Up here while you eat, you know? Just imagine, I have this sweet curry and anything with coconut. Remember that?
There's some coconut. Milk. Wow. Look at that people. Curry coconut rice, people like that. So it is not just curry. It is not just curry. We can see some coconut juice, just milk we gone in at that, people. It is a curry, coconut vibes, king crab vibes on the beach side in Port Mara. Pagee Beach, guys, crazy, crazy vibes. All of that, when all of that season soaking at the meat, and you don't know some of the shell already crack up and thing. I don't know what time it is. Can't wait to taste this. I don't know it's a vibe. We're inside of the kitchen. Wow. So the planting press and I go back into the oil right now, people. Look at that real natural, authentic Jamaican style. And the king crab is over this side. I'm going to simmer down. It is a vibe. You smell that seasoning, that soaking, that all of them natural, authentic, skelly and thyme. All of them things they are soaking. You can see the coconut juice that's bubbling up here now up on the side. Whoa. Crispy fried bean plantains. Everything reach, guys. Look at that. You can see the whoa, crazy king crab legs and claw right there with some fried plantain on the side. We have more fried plantain over here and steamed fish with crackers. You can see all of that okra, pumpkin, vegetable. Whoa, everything is just looking real vibrant and beautiful right here on the beach side. Whoa, guys, food looking real vibrant and beautiful. We have a water right here. You don't know water. With all of them steamed fish and curry. Everybody there on the beach, everybody all the vibes. You have some Ellas there right next door to you. You don't know how to play them domino on them card. And look at this. Whoa, it's a hell of a fish right here. And right here I have some king crab. Whoa. It is a vibe, people, and we are going to dip into this right now. Taste one of them crackers there. You don't know. Yard people love crackers and steamed fish. Okra. You're getting that crispiness, that crunchiness out of the okra because they don't know in the steam out fully. And that is what gives steamed fish a vibe. Grab a piece of the fish. That spiciness are kicking.
Yeah, that's my 5 years, I take it 5. I think 5 years, I take it 5.
This is the real authentic feeling on the beach side in a St. Mary. You come at Solo's place or any other, you have a couple few places. Well, as I said, it is a vibe on the beach. You can eat a lot of food here, you can eat a lot of seafood, you can eat chicken, all of that here on the beach side. And we're having this vibe right now. Pumpkin. Grab one of these crackers. Yeah, taste all of that season. You literally taste that season in your mouth, the authenticness of this dish. Whoa. Slide over some of that crab here. I know, fried crushed green plantain. Very unique vibe when I get some coconut curry crab on the beach side. Not just curry, but coconut to it, you don't know. It is a vibe. Oh, that water run out and look at that. All of that juice around. The crab itself is already sweet. The crab itself is already sweet. So you know, mix with all of that curry and that coconut juice running. Yeah, extra vibrant vibes. Oh. And at the same time you get some of the shell already cracked before it going on the pot. So you know, say the juice soak on right through. A lot of space for the juice flow right through. Oh, how empty. Very beautifully done. And of course, in this we actually get some more okra and mixed veg and all of that. All of them taste tune in with the crab juice. You still get that crunchiness. Not fully soft. You get that crunchy vibe. Ooh. I think this is my first time having curry coconut crab. The coconut definitely give it a vibe, give it a different kick. You say you're not just tasting the curry, but you're having that Jamaican coconut feeling right in your mouth. The juice. And of course all of these freshly catch just across from the eating area right on the beach side. Everybody come in with them crabs, with them fish. Oh. Can't go wrong with crab planting. Whether ripe or green. Definitely a vibe. Curry. Pumpkin. Oh. Vibes right here. Vibes right here, people. What I eat back some more in the steamed fish. And it is a seafood vibes. And wow. This is snapper on the beach side. Steamed snapper on the beach side. perfectly steamed. All that juice, that fish that drip off of the bone. The whole of the flesh that drip off of the bone. Wow. Definitely a must try. Top of the spot. Stop at Pagee Beach, guys. At Pagee Beach, you can come and relax. Just come and relax and eat some fish, eat some seafood. Everyone is active, very friendly environment, very friendly environment, safe environment. On the father and the family, and the kids, just come on and vibes, eat some seafood and some of them delicious. Like yourself, when we hard life to work, you have to mash up food. Definitely have to mash up food. So dig up on yourself. Pretty easy, quick, prepare very quick. A few minutes, you come on your order and you get through quick and fast at that on the beach side. Yard life, place up on yourself.